In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a HP printer that is printing the blank pages. The first most important reason is if your ink cartridges are out of the ink. For example, in this printer we can see here the ink cartridges are flashing there, the light is flashing as well. That means the ink cartridges are not installed or they are out of the ink. Now the second reason is the ink cartridges are dry. For example, you can see this ink cartridge shows full reading. That means the ink is there in the ink cartridge, but it is dry. So open the ink cartridge chamber of your printer. Take the ink cartridges out. Now the print head is here. So if the ink is dry from this area, then it will print blank pages. You just have to clean it, just wipe it with a wet cloth and then install it again. Now the third is to replace the ink cartridges if your first and second option is not working. So this way we can fix the printer printing the blank pages. Thanks for watching.